Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. This is Natassa Blazaki, member of Andy Skinner's creative team, and today I'm back with a fun Halloween project. There is a Spooktober challenge run by Creative Expressions and we're in week 3. The theme now is Day of the Dead. So I decided to create these colorful party plates that have a sugar skull in the center. I used Andy Skinner's sugar skull stamp on regular printer's paper, colored the skulls with alcohol markers, fussy cut them and glued them on the back sides of clear plastic plates using matte medium. Then I dabbed Andy Skinner's matte chalk paint with a soft sponge through a background stencil. I let dry and then painted with black gesso. I did some doodling with a golden marker around the edges and covered that too with black gesso. Then I applied gold acrylic paint with a sponge at the area that was not covered. I applied one more layer of black gesso to seal all the layers below. Lastly, I applied Andy Skinner's super matte varnish to protect the paint from chipping off. Be careful not to use a heat gun in this project. In the video, you see me using a regular hairdryer set in cold air. The heat would make the plastic plates warp. The real fun about this project is that since all the decoration is done on the back side of the plates, they're perfectly safe to place food in them. enjoyed it and give it a go. Thank you for visiting my channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. See you soon. Bye bye.